This year I set out one big goal for myself: get out of debt by the end of the year. No shortcuts, no magic tricks, just consistent work and full transparency. I'm calling it the Financial Freedom Challenge, and I'm documenting every step so you see exactly what works and what absolutely doesn't. So why I'm doing this? I'm tired of feeling stuck. I'm tired of debt hanging over my head. So instead of waiting for the perfect moment, I'm creating it. This challenge is my way of taking control, building discipline, and proving that you can change your financial life even if you're starting small. So how I'm making money. Most of my income I'll be using to pay off the debt is coming from online sources. Things like data annotation, investing, and other online opportunities I can test along the way. If it can be done from a laptop, I'm trying it. My monthly goal is simple: earn at least $1,000 each month from these online income streams. If I can hit that consistently, I'll be able to pay off everything by the end of the year. Every month I'll post a big update breaking down exactly where the money came from, how much I made from data annotation, how much came from investing, what grew, what tanked, and what surprised me. You'll see the real numbers, profits, losses, and everything in between. So with this, I'll be able to show you what works and what to avoid. I'm not just going to show the wins, I'm going to show strategies that actually work and the ones you should avoid. If something wastes my time, you'll know it. If something makes money, you'll know that too. Every month I'll break down the profits and losses for each income stream, no hiding, no fake flexing. If I lose money on an investment, you'll see it. If I make a smart move, you'll see that too. So if you're trying to get out of debt too, or just want to see what income streams online are actually worth your time, stick around. This challenge isn't just about me, it's something we can grow through together. So welcome to the Financial Freedom Challenge. 1 year, one goal, $1,000 a month. Let's see if this can pay off.